Welcome to Cushy Investments. Today, we're going to break down how to start trading in the share market, step by step. A lot of people feel like trading is some complicated secret, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's simpler than you think. Let's dive right in. Step 1. You need to open a Demot and a trading account. Think of the Demot account as a digital wallet for your shares, and the trading account is what you use to actually buy and sell them. You can easily set these up with online brokers like Zerodagro or Upstocks. Next up, Step 2. Get to know the market basics. Before you even think about trading, you should understand what stock exchanges are, how stock prices move, what indices like the Nifty and Sensex mean, and when the market is open for business. Step 3 is choosing your trading style. Are you an intraday or a delivery trader? Intraday trading means you buy and sell stocks on the very same day. Delivery trading is when you hold onto your shares for more than one day, maybe for weeks, months, or even longer. Step 4. Learn to read the charts. Candlestick charts are your best friend for seeing price movements. And indicators like RSI and moving averages will help you decide when to get in and when to get out of a trade. Now for Step 5. Picking the right stocks. Don't just throw a dart at a list. Look for stocks that have high trading volume, stable price movements, and a clear trend. Quality and liquidity are key. Avoid random, unknown stocks. Step 6 is crucial. Decide your entry and exit points before you trade. Use concepts like support and resistance levels to map out your plan. Never ever jump into a trade without a clear target for your profits and a stop loss to protect your capital. This brings us to Step 7, setting your stop loss and target. A stop loss is your safety net. It automatically sells your stock if it drops to a certain price, limiting your potential loss. A target price does the opposite, locking in your profits when the stock hits your goal. Ready to trade. Step 8 is placing the order through your broker's app. Just enter the stock's name, how many shares you want, the price, and whether you're buying or selling. Step 9. Monitor your trade. Once your order is placed, keep an eye on how the price is moving. It's natural for stocks to fluctuate, so stay calm and stick to your plan. Don't let your emotions lead you to panic sell or buy more. Step 10. Closing your trade. If you're doing intraday, you must close all your positions before the market shuts at 3:30 p.m. for delivery trades. You have the flexibility to hold on for as long as your strategy dictates. After every single trade, move to Step 11. Review your performance. What went right? What went wrong? Learning from your own experiences is the fastest way to improve. Step 12 is all about managing your emotions and risk. Trading requires patience, discipline, and a level head. Don't fall for tips or rumors. Always do your own research, which leads to Step 13. Never stop learning. The market is always changing. Keep studying technical analysis, market trends, and even trading psychology. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Step 14 is a golden rule. Start small. Begin with a small amount of money that you're comfortable with. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your trade size. The goal is consistent returns, not a one-time jackpot. Step 15. Stay informed. Keep up with market news, company results, new government policies, and global events that can affect the market. And finally, step 16. Keep learning with us at Cushy Investments. We're here to give you simple, clear, and practical lessons on stock trading. In our next video, we'll dive deep into an intraday strategy perfect for beginners. If you're ready to start your trading journey, make sure to subscribe to Cushy Investments right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.